Dear students, in this session we are going to see about computer networks. Friends, we know that computers are used to store large amount of data. The data or information stored on different computers can be exchanged. Yes. For example, in a school, different information about students in terms of their marks, fee or personal details are stored in different computer system because different departments handle different types of work. So, what's their need? Their need to be that information required to be shared among these departments. So, in our daily life, computer network is very important. Let's see it. Computer networks are the basics of communication in IT. They are used in a huge variety of ways. They can include any different types of network. A computer network is a set of computers that are connected together so that they can share information. Like, for example, when a fee department has to send the fee details of a student to his parents, what he do? He just then address information can be obtained from the personal department. Account section can give the fee department. So computer networking is required. So very basic definition of computer network is a system where computers are interconnected to share information. The information is very useful asset. So what do networks do? Computer networks are used to carry out a large number of tasks through the sharing of information, and it has a wide range of applications. Let's go through some of these. Like, we are having communication using emails, videos, instant messaging and other different methods. And even we can share the devices when they are connected in the network, like printers, scanner, photocopiers. So these peripheral devices can also be used in a network by the different computers. There is no need to having the extra computers and the printers attached to each one of them. Sharing software and operating programs on the remote system are very easier task when they are in a network. And a very important is that computer network allow users to easily access and maintain the information whenever required or necessary. So friends, different kinds of computers use different methods or a set of rules which we call protocols to communicate with each other. And we are having some PCs that require network operating system which we call NOS also. So computer networks are what? They are basically a system where the computers are interconnected to share information. So in this session we'll just have seen what are computer networks. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.